now with Torque Trends Incorporated, a short video about the fluid, recommended fluid, in the TorqueBox. So no matter which TorqueBox you have, they're all based on a planetary gear design, and they're very compact in size. We recommend a full synthetic, 100% synthetic ATF, automatic transmission fluid. That's a very light fluid, and in operation it will tend to mist, and it's actually that mist that gets some of the spots lubricated that otherwise would run dry. So it's very important that we run the synthetic ATF. To run a motor oil or a gear oil, you wouldn't get that misting effect. You wouldn't fully be lubricating the product, especially in the input shaft area, the input shaft bronze bushing. Those are critical areas, and they're only going to get lubricated with that mist. So very important that you run. Now let's talk about the amount of fluid that you should run in a TorqueBox. If you have a coupler in your particular application, in other words, your motor has a motor shaft that sticks out of the back of the motor, whether it's blind or a keyway, if it sticks out, then you have a coupler. And with a coupler unit, you should run 26 fluid ounces of synthetic ATF in your unit. If you have a custom input shaft, no coupler, because the motor shaft has female spline in it, then we've made a custom input shaft for that. We don't use a coupler. The unit's 2 inches shorter, so it doesn't hold as much fluid. 22 ounces. 22 fluid ounces would be the correct amount of 100% synthetic ATF in your unit. That's it. Bye for now.